one of the things that a lot of people are saying to me is, you know what, this man's going to come in and he's immediately going to start raising prices. I said, that's not necessarily the way Barry McCarthy works. He's going to figure out whether he even should be lowering prices for the hardware, raising prices for the subscription. Any thoughts on what you'll do pricing?
I think there's an enormous opportunity for us to flex the business model and dramatically increase the TAM for new members by lowering the cost of entry and playing around, if you will, with the relationship between the monthly recurring revenue and the upfront revenue. And I think there's tremendous opportunity for us to double down on our investment in the user experience, in the content, features, and functionality to increase consumer delight with the product in ways that we haven't yet imagined, all of which will contribute to an increase in the TAM.
Okay.
So, no, I'm not focusing on raising prices. I'm focusing on doing exactly the opposite and exploring how much price elasticity there is for the business.
All right, that's excellent, and people will like that. Now, I know you as a man who does not suffer fools gladly, and yet when Peloton told us that it didn't need cash and then did a gigantic raise almost with the same breath, that seemed pretty darn foolish, something that Barry McCarthy would never do. Are these days over? Are the foolish people ready to go, or are they gone yet already?
Well, for the longest time, the company, I'm told, was pretty accurate in its forecast of its performance, but not in the COVID world. And so as a consequence, the performance of the business was quite a bit different than the management team was expecting, and that had some dramatic implications for liquidity. And if you are what your track record says you are, then you'd have to say the company was less good than they would have liked to have been at forecasting what the cash needs of the business were. Until we can prove that we're capable of forecasting the performance of the business and meeting those forecast expectations, then there'll continue to be some uncertainty in the business. Having said that, from where I sit today, given what I know, and there's still quite a bit that I have to learn about the business, it looks to me like we're pretty well capitalized for the challenge ahead, principally because of some of the pain that investors have already felt.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.